Yo, Jason.
Hey man, what's up?
We're like hanging out. Do you want to like hang out with me, or do you want to be on social media the entire time? Dude, get the off of Facebook.
I'll get on Snapchat.
Oh my God! This is exactly why I hate social media. Stay tuned for the video. So, as you know, over the past couple years, social media has become a staple in our society. It's become something that everyone uses, from politicians all the way over to little children. Okay, so everyone ends up using it at some point or another. So, today I'm going to talk about the pros and the cons. First, the pro. We live in an era right now that with the internet, you can reach millions of people within seconds. And social media allows you to have your own platform, your own place where you control, not 100%, but you control your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, your Snapchat. These things are you control, and you can send out a message showing who you want to be, okay? So, for instance, I have an Instagram, I have a Facebook, I have a Snapchat, I have a Twitter, and I use these platforms to spread my message along with my YouTube and my blog. My YouTube and my blog are my main forms of content, and those other pages are pages where I could spread my message and gain a following. Those people now can come to my YouTube and my blog to see my more content-filled information, okay? So I use social media as a form of reaching out to people that are looking for the same thing. That's the purpose of social media. That is the best use you can use. Before, you needed some market, someone who had all this power in order to reach people. Now you can build that on your own. Okay, now you don't need some large company to help you out. You can get some large company to help you out, but now you can use social media as a way to spread your own message. Also, a quick other benefit, allows you to keep in touch with friends. So now let's go on to the many problems I have with social media. The first thing is the whole data thing.
So how many data categories do you store? Does Facebook store on the categories that you collect?
Senator, can you clarify what you mean by data categories?
There's some past...
Social media is collecting all of our information. I start talking about something with my friend. So to give you an exact example, me and my roommate were talking about these shoes by this company called Paul Evans. And as we were talking about them in person, the next time we both logged on to Instagram, what happened was we both saw an ad for Paul Evans shoes. Now, I don't know if Instagram is definitely listening to us on our phones, but we give them access to our microphone so they could be collecting that information and selling it to other companies, right? Same thing with Facebook. Facebook collected your information and sold it to other companies. People can do this. Now they're collecting their information from various different sources, whether it be the microphone, through the camera, through stuff you put in there, through your habits, your location, all of this stuff. They use that information to sell you things, okay? You need to watch out for that. And if you're okay with other people knowing what you're up to all the time, then that's okay. Stay on social media. But if not, I would get off. Next up is the fake people that use all of these sites. I was so fed up with social media at a certain point where I've seen people act a certain way and then they wouldn't act the same way in person, okay? Oh shit, he saw it already. Oh yeah. Hopefully Jason wants to hang out. What? Oh my God, what the f***? Right, Jason sounded really excited to hang out with me, and then as soon as I asked him to, what did he say? He said, I'm too busy. He kept giving excuses, right? He said something that he didn't actually really mean. That makes them fake. Do you want to deal with fake all day long. No, so then cut it out of your life, okay? Don't have it in there at all. And the last thing is that most people have an addiction to it. When you get a notification, you get some sort of dopamine in your body as a form of social proof. People like me. Someone wants to talk to me. And your phone, you can now switch from Snapchat to Instagram to Twitter to your text messages to phone calls and keep switching back and forth and constantly get this small hits of dopamine that don't really do too much for you other than make you slightly happy. And that makes you keep coming back to these sites. And that is the exact problem. You need to make sure that you are not attached to them, okay? What I recommend doing after hearing all these negatives that come along with social media is deleting them all, okay? There's a point in time where all I had was a Snapchat. And the only reason why I use Snapchat is because I liked sending pictures and videos instead of just simple messages. I never used the story feature. I only used it for pictures and videos, personal interaction with other people, because I thought it added a different aspect to it. But every other form of social media, not necessary. People don't need to hear your opinion unless if you're trying to make a brand, unless if you're trying to start a business. I would not have social media. It's that simple. I suggest to you, if there's one thing you take out of this video, try to delete your social media applications and don't use them for a long time, okay? That means delete them off your phone, deactivate your accounts, whatever you have to do, delete them for an extended period of time and see how you feel. I'm sure you will start caring less and less about what other people think. So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos like this. Make sure to donate to me on Patreon so I can keep making videos for you like this every single day. And as always, remember that a chapter a day allows for success to make way. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.